What's up, guys? It's your girl Nati J. Just looking a mess. It's been about 3 months since I've done a retwist. So I'm about to hit apple cider vinegar rinse. Got everything right there. Everything's ready. I do an apple cider vinegar rinse. Wash my hair. Probably braid it up a little bit. Do a little something. I'll be back to update y'all. So I had to get my bucket because the sink didn't work. I only could dip my front half of my hair before my hair started getting caught in the faucet. So I got a little bucket right here, and I'm about to do the same thing. Fill it up with the ingredients, and I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Just give me a second, bro. So now in here, we take it, same thing, baking powder. Got the lemon. This lemon isn't as juicy, but I'm gonna let it rock. And then I got the Bragg's apple cider vinegar, organic, raw, and unfiltered. And let that get mixed up in here. We want a lot because we want this bitch to get in there. Now I'm down to half a bottle because I had to do it twice, bro. Alright. Now it's time to dunk the hair, bro. We about to do this. I'm about to fix this up, and I'm gonna do it right now. Give me a second.